So it's our last day today, but we got to enjoy it, and we're going to a flight tomorrow. Whee! So today we are going to the beach, just having a chill day before we have our 12-hour flight. But gonna get some suntan, get a good tan. Well, not really, but so just got my bikini on, and we're gonna go to the beach now. So got my little. Not the little surfboard, and pencil over there, and we're just going to walk down to the beach now. So we're driving because our family's so lazy. Went off because I got annoyed with them, but we made it. So we are just having lunch now, and I've got a turkey sandwich with Ritz biscuits. They're so good. The sun's come out now. We're doing like surfing stuff. I'll edit some clips in for surfing now. Oh, look how nice this melon is. Focus on the melon, focus on the sea. Focus on the melon, focus on the sea. There's literally Wi-Fi everywhere in LA. Like, we were sitting on the beach and I've got Wi-Fi. Put up the umbrella. Thanks to Alice. Absolute lifesaver. So we were surfing and me and Hannah got dragged under. I swallowed so much salt water I gagged and like threw up a little bit. Oh yeah, I look very, very, very red. I'm on the way home now. 3, 2, 1. Oh no, mine's fine. I'll have a little one. Every heartbeat. Ah, that really hurts. Oh my god, look. I know! So we're on the way to food now on our last night. Woo! Oh, look at our meal. That was really quick, Hannah. We finished our meal. It was very, very nice. On the way back to our thing now, villa. We're going to pack, ready to leave tomorrow. I'm going to bed now. Night.